Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of DELL backpack. It's a basic backpack. I got it for 399 rupees from Amazon. I'm gonna share the link at the below so you can look and buy one from your end. So first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for supporting me. So where I've reached 10,000 plus subscribers, and I'm very happy for this. And if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. And thank you so much for your continuous support, and I expect same support for my other videos also. Please help me, give me a suggestion, give me a suggestion in the comment section, so it will help me in uploading good videos, and please help me to make a very good and a better video. So let's begin with an unboxing, guys. So this is the backpack which I bought. So let's open this, and yeah. So here comes the invoice. You can see I got it for 399 rupees, and which is a DELL backpack. So looking at this cover, I feel this is the original DELL backpack, which I got it for cheaper price. So let's open this. Here are some serial number and the barcode over here from the DELL. So I don't think it's a duplicate one or a fake one. So it's a original backpack. So this is the build, and I'm gonna show you this. Okay, yeah, it's a normal backpack. So you can see this is how it looks, and yeah, here there's a space and the laptop space. So you can keep the laptop over here. It has two zip. This is the one main, and the secondary one where it's a small one. So you have two pouches over here, two for pen, and another pouch. Yeah, this comes with only two zip. And they have two bottle like compartments, or where you can keep two water bottles or any other stuff. Over here, one big and one small, I think. Yeah, no, both are the same, and this is how it is. And you can see it. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna just lower this and show you how it looks. So to make this little bulky, I'm gonna just put this over here. Let me just fill some storage. Put it over here to check. Just see how it looks. Just fit in the bag. So this is how it looks, guys, when you fill with the laptop. Let me just pour it and show you. So is it cool? You can see I can just like make it down here if I want. And if I'm like for the short guys, you can just pull it up. So it's very cool bag, guys, for this price. So hope you enjoyed this. You can buy one for you. So like it's a very nice one with the normal budget, the very lesser price. So I'll leave this link where you can buy this backpack. I'm gonna like put the link in the comment like description section so you can buy one. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this video was useful to you to buy a new like this kind of backpack. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and please do comment in the comment section. It will help me in improving my improving my channel and video. And thank you so much.